Hello everyone. Welcome to TechMaster YouTube channel. I'm passionate about technology and I love sharing my knowledge with others. I hope you'll enjoy my videos and learn something new. So subscribe and join us on our journey into the world of tech. Now let's go to this video. The Apple Watch Series 9 is the latest smartwatch from Apple. It was released in September 2023, alongside the iPhone 15. The Apple Watch Series 9 is a minor upgrade over the Apple Watch Series 8, but it still has a lot to offer. Here are some of the key features of the Apple Watch Series 9. New S9 chip. The Apple Watch Series 9 is powered by the new S9 chip, which is based on the A15 Bionic chip that powers the iPhone 13. The S9 chip provides a significant performance boost over the S8 chip, making the Apple Watch Series 9 faster and more responsive. New health features. The Apple Watch Series 9 has a number of new health features, including body temperature monitoring, blood pressure monitoring, and an ECG app. Body temperature monitoring can be used to track your body temperature throughout the day, which can be helpful for women who are trying to track their menstrual cycle or for people who are concerned about their overall health. Blood pressure monitoring can be used to track your blood pressure, which can be helpful for people who have high blood pressure or who are at risk for developing high blood pressure. The ECG app can be used to take an electrocardiogram, which can be used to detect atrial fibrillation. New watch faces. The Apple Watch Series 9 comes with a number of new watch faces, including a new face that focuses on health data. The new watch faces make it see your health data at a glance. Improved battery life. The Apple Watch Series 9 has improved battery life over the Apple Watch Series 8. The Apple Watch Series 9 can last up to 18 hours on a single charge, which is enough for most people to get through a day without having to worry about running out of battery. Overall, the Apple Watch Series 9 is a great smartwatch with a lot to offer. It is a minor upgrade over the Apple Watch Series 8, but it still has a number of new features that make it a worthwhile upgrade. If you are looking for a new smartwatch, the Apple Watch Series 9 is definitely worth considering. Here are some additional details about the Apple Watch Series 9. Design. The Apple Watch Series 9 has a similar design to the Apple Watch Series 8. It has a square face with a stainless steel or aluminum case. The Apple Watch Series 9 is available in two sizes, 41mm and 45mm. Price. The Apple Watch Series 9 starts at $399 for the GPS model and $499 for the cellular model. Software. The Apple Watch Series 9 runs watchOS 9, which is the latest version of Apple's smartwatch operating system. watchOS 9 includes a number of new features, including new health features, new watch faces, and new fitness features. The Apple Watch Series 9 is a great smartwatch for people who are looking for a fitness tracker, a health monitor, and a smartwatch. It has a number of features that make it a great choice for people who are active and people who are concerned about their health. The Apple Watch Series 9 is also a great choice for people who want a smartwatch that can be used to make calls, send messages, and access apps. If you are looking for a new smartwatch, the Apple Watch Series 9 is definitely worth considering. It is a great smartwatch with a lot to offer. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. And as always, feel free to leave a comment below and let me know what you think. Thanks again for watching.